Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove something from continue watching on Disney Plus. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Here is how to remove something from your continue watching list on Disney Plus in 2024. Open the Disney Plus application and log in to your account. Locate the continue watching section on the home screen. Find the movie or show you want to remove. Tap the three dots next to the title. Select Remove from Continue Watching from the options. Go to the Disney Plus website and log in to your account. Hover over your profile picture in the top right corner and select My Profile. Click on Continue Watching from the menu on the left side. Find the movie or show you want to remove. Click on the three dots next to the title. Select Remove from Continue Watching from the options. So that's basically how you can remove something from continue watching on Disney Plus. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.